Get them ready. This thing, ooh. Y'all need to go check out the top speed test that I just did. It's kind of slow, huh? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So governor is coming off right now. So this is how to take off the governor of Coleman CT200U EX. It's the same for pretty much most of the other Colemans as well. If you got a smaller Coleman, like the CC100X or the CT100U, I made a video on that. For those smaller bikes, it's easy to get to because it's out in the open. You can just literally bend the screw back. But this one, you gotta take off the air box. So let's go, man. What are you waiting for? So get your impact 10mm socket. Bop. Take those two off, throw them on the floor. And then, gotta take off this airbox assembly. You got this breather in the back that's connected to your, oh shoot. And you know what you're supposed to do is don't be like me and just rip it off. Oh crap, that thing's on there. Oh shoot. Don't be like me and rip it off because you want this end to stay in there, but I'll fix it later. Honestly, we probably don't even have to take off the carb. So, I'll get a close-up in a second, but throttle. Okay, so you can see here's the whole throttle setup. You got a spring. Look at that. You're like, oh, why don't you just unscrew it? Tack that thing on. See that bottom piece? Let's get the camera to focus in. See that bottom weld on that nut? So you can't just take it out. A couple things you can do. Dremel. $10 angle grinder from Harbor Freight. Sawzall. Honestly, I mean, if you have the time, you could literally take a file and just file that thing down. Okay, do not lose anything like me. Well, that's, oh, here it is. I know I just said angle grinder, Dremel, Sawzall, but hey, I mean, if you got your set of little bolt cutters, just snip it off. You ain't gonna blow your engine up. Alright guys, so yeah. I think I got these from Tractor Supply. Yeah guys, just hook the breather. Oh frick. Don't do that. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm Bataha, and I'll see y'all in that top speed test for this thing, man. Ooh.